Experience the pinnacle of innovation with the Vertive Express. This revolutionary mobile solution is set to transform your tech encounters, bringing state-of-the-art technology directly to your doorstep. The Vertive Express transcends boundaries with immersive Vertive VR and Vertive XR apps. Join our Pan-India expedition, traversing from north to central, west to south, and all the way to the east. This journey invites you to embrace the future for a sustainable tomorrow. Step into a realm of transformative power of artificial intelligence, AI. Empower yourself and evolve with us on the Vertive Express. Welcome to the forefront of innovation, where engagement, empowerment, and evolution converge.